So in this class, we will understand how to pass parameters in function. Like any programming language, JavaScript also allows to pass parameters parameters from one function to another function another function, and we call it as argument. Okay, so what you are doing, you are just passing a parameter from one function to another function as argument. Okay, so in earlier programming language, only variables can be the what can be the parameters. Variables can only be the parameters. Okay, variables can only be the parameters. So let us first understand this. Suppose we have a function add, and it takes two parameters a and b. Okay, like in the previous class, we have already understood what that there are five types you can use to declare any function. So we are using named function. So what we are using over here, this is called as named function way. Named function way. Okay, so function add a comma b, and this function will gonna return a plus b. Okay, so we have const num1 equals to 5, and similarly we have const num2 equals to 10. Now what we will do, we will const, okay, we will const sum equals to, we will call the function add, and we'll pass the parameter num1 and num2 inside it. Okay, and then we will, what we will do, we will print the sum in this way. So this is the first way you can do it. Okay, so first is the name function way. Function add a b and then a plus b and all these things. Okay, so let's start with the next one, that is anonymous function way. In anonymous function way, what we can do, const multiply equals to function x and y, and let's suppose this function is returning, what it will return, it will return the multiplication of x and y. Okay, and we will store it inside what, inside our expression, that is multiply result. And after that, what we will do, we will console and print multiply result is equals to multiply result. Okay, that's it. And these are the two way you can do. Next is arrow function way. Arrow function way. In arrow function way, what we can do, we can divide these two. Suppose what we are having, divide, it takes two parameters, one is dividend, another one is divisor, and what it is returning, it is returning dividend divided by divisor. Now in quotient, what we are storing, we are storing the resultant of the divide, and then we are printing or consoling quotient of 6 divided by 3 is the quotient. So this is what are three ways, that is arrow function way, anonymous function way, and name function way. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. Let's run this and understand what we are getting. So in the first number, that is a and b, what we are getting, we are getting 15 as the sum. In the second, we are passing two values, that is 4 and 8 over here, and we are getting what, 32, because the result what we are getting in the multiply result, that is basically 32. It is returning us what, 32. Next, in case of divide, this is an arrow function way. So dividend and divisor, so dividend is 6, divisor is 3, so dividend by divisor, what we are getting, the quotient, and the quotient is what, basically the quotient is 2. So these are the three ways you can do these things. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this class. Thank you.